Hello, USD 116 community. This will be an instructional video on how to register your returning student with Urbana School District 116. To get started, head to our webpage by going to usd116.org, and once there, you'll want to go to the top right tab and hover over the Families link. This will show you additional links, but you will want to click on Skyward Family. Step 1. For our purposes, we're going to start off with Step 1, which is Online Registration Walkthrough. On this page, you'll find helpful videos and guides that'll assist you through your registration process. Review this information and then click Complete Step 1 and move to Step 2A button at the bottom. Step 2. We believe that it is important to be able to contact families with important information. Please verify your email addresses and phone numbers in the next step. Also, for UHS and UMS students, their cell phone number can be entered if you wish them to receive emergency notifications from the school district. You can also opt in to receiving SMS messages by texting Y or Yes to 67587. Standard message and data rates may apply. At the bottom, click Complete Step 2 and move to Step 3. Step 3A. For this step, review your students' information. For UHS and UMS students, the district collects student cell numbers for emergency contact purposes. To add your student cell phone, select Student Cell Phone from the drop-down box and enter the number to the right. Check all boxes that are applicable and click Complete Step 3A and move to Step 3B at the bottom. Step 3B. In this next step, please review address information and make any changes that would be necessary. Once you're done, click Complete Step 3B and move to Step 3C button at the bottom. Step 3C. For this next step, please make any necessary updates to phone information and email addresses. Once completed, head on down to the bottom and click Complete Step 3C and move to Step 3D. Step 3D. Please review and update hospital information. Once completed, click Complete Step 3D and move to Step 3E. Step 3E. For this step, change any and all information, and if need be, add additional comments below each contact. Once you're done, head to the bottom and click Complete Step 3E and move to Step 3F. Step 3F. For this step, Skyward would have already pre-populated information entered last year. To make any other changes, please add the information to the appropriate box. Once you're done and satisfied, please head to the bottom and click Complete Step 3F and move to Step 4. Step 4. For this step, we're asking you to verify your Skylert information. Please verify the contact information and what types of communication you would like to receive. Most communication will come from the general type. You can then simply scroll down and add any additional information of phone number and email address, then select the appropriate communication type that you would like the person to have. When done, head down and click on Step 4 and move to Step 5. Step 5. For this step, please review in great detail the emergency medical authorization. This form allows the district to take quick action medically in the event that we cannot reach you. Please review this information and select yes or no. Type your name and today's date. If you select no, please provide any alternative action, if any, you would like the district to take in the event of a medical emergency. When completed, click on Step 5 and move to Step 6. Step 6. For this step, we're asking that you acknowledge that you've reviewed the Policy and Procedure Handbook, Bus Rules and Expectations, MTSS Family Guide, and Telephone Consumer Protection Act. Please review each of these sections and select yes or no for each, stating that you have reviewed the corresponding information. Next, sign and date and then click on Complete Step 6 and move to Step 7. Step 7. For this step, we would like to highlight the importance of your students' attendance and how it affects their academic growth. We also provide guidance on when to keep your student at home and how they can still stay connected. This step also goes over absence thresholds and what actions will occur if those thresholds are exceeded. Please select yes or no that you have reviewed this information, then sign and date. Next, click Complete Step 7 and move to Step 8. Step 8. On this step, please review the Google Workspace Parental Consent Form, Chromebook Care, Intentional Damage Costs, and Internet and Email Access Information. Please select yes or no to the questions for each section and then scroll down and sign and date. Then, click Complete Step 8 and move to Step 9. Step 9. This step asks that you review the publicity and photo release form and select whether or not you give permission. Sign and date, then click Complete Step 9 and move to Step 10. Step 10. On this step, we ask that you review the health information, and once you're done, click Complete Step 10 and move to Step 11. Step 11. For this step, we're asking that you attach any additional documents that are needed from previous steps, such as change of address forms, dental information, physicals, or vision information. Once you're done attaching the documents, click Complete Step 11 and move to Step 12. Step 12. This step allows you to choose between paying fees either at your child's school or online. If you're looking to pay online, select the Make a Fee Payment link. This will open another window. When done making a payment, return back to the screen and click Complete Step 12 and move to Step 13. Step 13. The next window lets you know that you are about to complete your online registration process for this student, but to do so, it requires the clicking of at least one button on Step 14. Click Complete Step 13 and move to Step 14. Final step. The final window contains information for the entirety of the steps that you've completed thus far for your review. Once you've reviewed and are satisfied, please click Submit Returning Student Registration button. This completes the registration process. If there are any questions, the secretary for your school will reach out to you. Thank you and can't wait to see your student on the first day of school.